வெல்கம் டு ஜெயமேரா நாலேஜ். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம டெய்லி ப்ராக்டிஸ் 45 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஃபார் நீட்டில் கிளாஸ் 12 நியூக்ளியர் லெசனில் இருந்து 45 கொஸ்டின் இப்போ உங்களுக்கு டெஸ்ட் வைக்க போகிறோமா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், ஹெவி ஸ்டேபிள் நியூக்ளியை ஹாவ் more neutrons than protons. This is because of the fact that A. Neutrons are heavier than proton. B. Electrostatic force between protons are repulsive. C. Neutrons decay into protons through beta decay. D. Nuclear forces between neutrons are weaker than that between protons. Second sum, the gravitational force between a hydrogen atom and another particle of mass small m will be given by Newton's law. F is equal to G capital M small m by R squared, where R is in kilometer. And option A, mass of proton plus mass of electron. Option B, capital M is equal to mass of proton plus mass of electron minus B by C squared, where B is the 13.6 electron volt. Option C, capital M is not related to the mass of the hydrogen atom. Option D, capital M is equal to mass of proton plus mass of electron minus modulus of V by C squared, where V is the magnitude of the potential energy of electron in hydrogen atom. Third question, two hydrogen atoms in the ground state collide inelastically. The maximum amount by which their combined kinetic energy is reduced to. Option A, 10.20 electron volt. Option B, 20.40 electron volt. Option C, 13.6 electron volt. Option D, 27.2 electron volt. Second question, solar energy is mainly caused due to. Option A, fission of uranium present in the sun. Option B, fusion of protons during synthesis of heavier elements. Option C, gravitational contraction. Option D, burning of hydrogen into oxygen. Answer. Third question, the mass number of a nucleus is equal to the number of dash. Option A, electron it contains. Option B, protons it contains. Option C, neutrons it contains. Option D, nucleons it contains. Then fourth question, atomic number of a nucleus is capital Z and atomic mass is capital M. The number of neutrons is dash. Option A, capital M minus capital Z. Option B, capital M. Option C, capital Z. Option D, M plus Z. Fifth question, which of the following is most unstable? A, electrons. B, protons. C, neutrons. D, alpha particle. Sixth question, the mass of a neutron is the same as that of dash. Option A proton. Option B, a meson. Option C, a positron. Option D, an electron. Seventh question, nuclear forces are. Option A, short ranged, attractive and charge independent. Option B, short ranged, attractive and charge dependent. Option C, long ranged, repulsive and charge independent. Option D, long ranged, repulsive and charge dependent. Eighth question, which of the following pairs is an isobar? Option A, 1H1 and 1H2. Option B, 1H3 and 1H3. Option C, C612 and C613. And option D, P1530 and Si1430. Question number 9. For effective nuclear forces, the distance should be dash. Option A, 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Option B, 10 to the power of minus 13 meter. Option C, 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. Option D, 10 to the power of minus 20 meter. 10th question, the force acting between proton and proton inside the nucleus is dash. Option A, Coulomb. Option B, nuclear. Option C, both Coulomb and nuclear. Option D, gravitational. 11th question, a force between two protons is same as the force between proton and neutron. The nature of the force is dash. Option A, weak nuclear force. Option B, strong nuclear force. Option C, electrical force. Option D, gravitational force. 12th question. The atoms of same element having different masses but same chemical properties are called dash. A, isotones. B, isotopes. C, isobars. D, isomers. 13th question. Isotopes are atoms having dash. Option A, same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Option B, same number of neutrons but different number of protons. Option C, same number of protons and neutrons. Option D, different number of protons and neutrons. Question number 14. The radius of a nucleus of a mass number capital A is directly proportional to dash. Option A cube. Option B, A. Option C, 8 to the power of 2 by 3. Option D, 8 to the power of 1 by 3. 15th question. In R 88-226 nucleus, there are dash. Option A, 138 protons and 88 neutrons. Option B, 138 neutrons and 88 protons. Option C, 226 protons and 88 electrons. Option D, 226 neutrons and 138 electrons. 16th question. If the aluminum nucleus Al1327 has nuclear radius of about 3.6 Fermi, then the tellurium nucleus Te52125 will have nuclear radius nearly as option A 3.6 Fermi, option B 6.0 Fermi, option C 8.9 Fermi, option D 16.7 Fermi. 17th question. If radius of the aluminium Al1327 nucleus is taken to be capital RAL, then the radius of Te53125 tellurium nucleus is nearly option A 53 by 13 to the power of 1 by 3 into RAL, option B 5 by 3 RAL, option C 3 by 5 RAL, option D 13 by 53 to the power of 1 by 3 RAL. Here RAL is the radius of the aluminium 1327. 18th question. The radius of germanium Ge nuclide is measured to be twice the radius of beryllium Pe49. The number of nucleons in germanium Ge will be option A 72, option B 73, option C 74, option D 75. 19th question. The order of magnitude of density of uranium nucleus is MB, mass of the proton, is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilogram. Option A 10 to the power of 20 kilogram per meter cube. Option B 10 to the power of 17 kilogram per meter cube. Option C 10 to the power of 14 kilogram per meter cube. Option D 10 to the power of 11 kilogram per meter cube. 28th question. Which one of the following nuclear reactions is a source of energy in the sun? Option A Be49 plus He24 gives C612 plus N0 minus 1. Option B He23 plus He23 gives He24 plus 1H1 plus 1H1. Option C Pa56144 plus Kr5692 gives U92235 plus N0 minus 1. Option D Fe2656 plus Ca4812 gives W74167 plus N0 minus 1. Question number 21. Fusion reaction occurs at temperature of the order of option A 10 to the power of 3 Kelvin, option B 10 to the power of 7 Kelvin, option C 10 Kelvin, Option D 10 to the power of 4 Kelvin. Question number 22. Nuclear reaction is represented as option A bracket x comma y, B option B x bracket inside a comma y into B, and option C x inside bracket a comma b into y, and option D a inside bracket x comma b outside bracket y. 23rd question. From the following equations, pick out the possible nuclear reactions. C option A C613 plus 1H1 plus C614 plus 4.3 million electron volt. Option B C612 plus 1H1 plus N713 plus 2 million electron volt. Option C N714 plus He24 gives O815 plus 7.3 million electron volt. Option D uranium U92235 plus N01 gives X54140 plus Si3894 plus 2N01 plus 200 million electron volts. 24th question. In nuclear fission, the percentage of mass converted into energy is about option A 10%, option B 0.01%, option C 0.1%, option D 1%. 25th question. A chain reaction is continuous due to dash. Option A large mass defect, option B large energy, option C production of more neutrons during fission, option D daughter nuclei formed. 6th question. Name of India's first nuclear reactor is dash. Option A Ramba, option B Menaka, option C Urvasi, option D Apsara. 27th question. Atom bomb consists of two pieces of uranium 92-235 and a source of option A proton, option B neutron, option C meson, option D electron. 29th question. Thermal neutrons are those which option A are at a very high temperature, option B move with high velocities, option C have kinetic energy similar to those of surrounding molecules, option D are at rest. 38th question. 1 gram of hydrogen is converted into 0.993 gram of helium in a thermonuclear reaction. The energy released is option A 63 into 10 to the power of 7 joule, option B 63 into 10 to the power of 10 joule, option C 63 into 10 to the power of 14 joule, option D 63 into 10 to the power of 20 joule. 31st question. Which of the following are suitable for the fusion process? Option A heavy nuclei, option B light nuclei, option C atom bomb, option D radioactive decay. 32nd question. On bombardment of neutron with boron, an alpha particle is emitted and product nucleus formed is dash. C612, lithium 36, lithium 37, beryllium 49. 33rd question. Half-life of a radioactive substance is 20 minutes. The time interval between 20% and 80% decay will be dash. Option A 20 minutes, option B 30 minutes, option C 40 minutes, option D 60 minutes. Question number 34. The half-life of a radioactive substance is 30 minutes. The time in minutes taken between 40% decay and 85% decay of the same radioactive substance is dash. Option A 60, option B 15, option C 30, option D 45. 35th question. The half-life of a radioactive sample is 6.93 days. After how many days will only 1/20th of the sample be left over? Take log 20 base E is equal to 3.0. Option A 20 days, option B 27 days, option C 30 days, option D 35 days. 36th question. the particle emitted in the decay of uranium-92-238 to uranium-92-234. A. 36th question. The particle emitted in the decay of uranium-92-238 to uranium-92-234. Option A 2 alpha and 2 beta. Option B 1 alpha and 1 beta. Option C 1 alpha only. Option D 1 alpha and 2 beta. 37th question. In the reaction XZA gives YZ plus 1A gives KZ minus 1 A minus 4 gives KZ minus 1 A minus 4 radioactive radiations are emitted in the sequence. Option A alpha beta gamma. Option B beta alpha gamma. Option C gamma alpha beta. Option D beta gamma alpha. 37th question. In the given nuclear reaction, beryllium Be49 plus helium-24 gives carbon 612 plus X. Here X represents option A neutron, option B proton, option C positron, option D electron. 38th question. Which of the following is emitted when plutonium 94-239 decays into uranium 92-235? Option A gamma rays, option B neutrons, option C electron, option D alpha particle. 39th question. If by successive disintegration of uranium-92-238 the final product obtained is lead-82-206, then how many number of alpha and beta particles are emitted? Option A 8 and 6, option B 6 and 8, option C 12 and 6, option D 8 and 12. The half-life of tritium is 12.5 years. What mass of tritium of initial mass 64 mg will remain undecayed after 50 years? Option A 32 mg, option B 8 mg, option C 16 mg, option D 4 mg. 41 question. An element X decays into element Z by two steps process. First process X gives Y plus He24. Second process Y gives Z plus 2 electron. Then option A X and Z are isobars. Option B X and Y are isotopes. Option C X and Z are isotones. Option D X and Z are isotopes. 42nd question. In radioactive transformation, XZA gives X1 Z plus 1 A gives X2 Z minus 1 A minus 4 gives X3 Z minus 3 A minus 8. Which are successfully emitted radioactive radiations? Option A beta minus, beta minus, beta minus, alpha. Option B beta minus, beta minus, beta plus, alpha. Option C beta minus, beta minus, alpha, alpha. Option D beta minus, beta minus, alpha, beta minus. Third question. If your half-life of a radioactive element is 10 hours, the average life is equal to dash. Option A 1.44, option B 6.93, option C 14.4, option D 0.693. 44th question. The relation between half-life capital T and related decay constant lambda is dash. Option A lambda T is equal to 1, option B lambda T is equal to half, option C lambda T is equal to log 2 base E, option D lambda is equal to log 2 T. 45th question. Half-life of radioactive element is 5 minutes. At the end of 20 minutes, its dash percentage quantity is disintegrated. Option A 6.25, option B 75, option C 25, option D 93.75. Thank you ma. All the best to score nice mark in this 45 questions. Tomorrow we will come with units and measurements.